Here I have Oppo A78 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Files application. It could be Files by Google. Then you have to go to the SD card here, tap on three dots, go to the storage settings and select format, and then tap format SD card, and after a few seconds SD card will be formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.